Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Friday, April 16th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. I have a couple shout outs. I have a shout out from Miss D. Martinez to Miss Guetta for doing an amazing job of making a spirit stick to show which class has the most spirit in first grade. Thank you, Miss Guetta, for going above and beyond and giving 100% every day. I have another shout out. I have a shout out for Miss Monsinas, second grade teacher. Miss Martinez, D. Martinez, says thank you so much for helping with after-school tutoring for scholars that need some extra help learning how to read faster and without any errors. Nice job. Thank you, Miss Monsinas. Also, today, pre-K, I'm super excited. You met your goal of lesson 80 in math. Amazing job, pre-K. Also, nice job, pre-K teachers. Miss Cavazos, Miss Garcia, no longer Miss Campos, but Miss Garcia, Miss C. Ramos, Miss Hernandez. Thank you for all your hard work and ensuring our scholars get to and through college. Go have a great day. It's a great day to learn. We'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot!